Come in here to the light. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto, and tonight, because it's definitely not daytime, tonight we are going to work on the 07 Tahoe. No, it's not DOD related. That's gone. That's the first thing I did when I bought this thing. That's actually why I bought this. It had a collapse lifter. The individual selling it thought it needed a motor. As soon as I saw it, I knew exactly what it needed. Hit up my boys at Texas Speed. We got the whole kit, cam, lifters, everything. And this thing runs like a top. 07, 320,000 miles, and you would never know it. Not ever. So what I'm doing tonight, I've got the Robinair out. This is my 4th AC job today, and I got one more coming after this. You'll see a video of that one for sure. So we're gonna hook this thing up. Her complaint is when we're idle. Well, she's not even complaining, I'm complaining. We took this thing to the park earlier, and when we're idling, this thing is not cool at all. So we're gonna hook up. We've got this little guy right here. Tells us what we need to know. AC front and rear. We're not a Suburban, not a Suburban. Utility is the best thing that I can say that this is. It doesn't even say Tahoe. How silly is that? But my factory service material over here, without rear AC, 26 ounces. That's unacceptable, because guess what? I've got rear AC. What the heck is this? I pay all this money every month so that I can have all of the info, and I have none of it. I'd say you'd get that on these big jobs, but it's just AC. It's not a big job. So anyways, that's enough of me rambling, complaining, whatever you want to call it. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. So with this machine, you've got your high, you've got your low, and inside of the engine bay, we've got high and we've got low right there on the receiver dryer. So I'm gonna get this hooked up. Oh, let's do it with you guys. It's easy enough. I can do it with one hand. All right, high side on. Click. That feels good to me. Twist, 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 twist. Oh, it might have felt good to me, but it was not good for it. I feel like there's an innuendo in there somewhere. I think that I might need new hoses for this machine. Just speculation. That feels much better. Here we go. High side. We're a little high. We're a little high. Not Rocky Mountain high, but we're a little high. All right, so low side back here, it's kind of a turd to get on. So I don't know how much of this you guys can see, because it is kind of dark out here. And I've got the buggy in the garage, the kiddo's buggy. Yeah, I've just got a mess. So anyways, got the low side on. Gonna tighten down the nipple there. Get that Schrader pushed in. Get this thing fired up. Yeah, heck yeah, we got 10.64 pounds of Freon. We're gonna do a recovery. I'm actually gonna twist that just a touch. We're clearing the hoses. So, I'm gonna let this thing do its job. I'll be right back to you guys. Hopefully I can find an accurate number. I think I'm gonna have to go to my friend Google. So anyways, I'll be right back and we'll go from there. And just like that, we are back. I don't think we're quite done, but we're back. So we have evacuated 2.13 pounds. We are just on the south side of 0. So starting to pull a slight vacuum. According to this, 3, 2.5. Gonna need to do some online looking, but my phone's almost dead, so we're gonna wing it. Probably shouldn't wing it, but we're probably gonna wing it. And based off of this, if we are a little low, I am gonna pump in some dye. That will definitely tell me where and if I have a problem. So I will get back to you guys just shortly. As soon as this thing's fully done evacuating, let you know how much we pulled out, and I should have an answer on how much this system holds. Next clip. All right, just a couple seconds for you, but about 30 minutes for us. Special guest,
hey,
WatchJRGo showed up. So we have pulled 2.23 ounces out, or pounds. Oh, 2.23 ounces. No wonder the AC doesn't work.
There's nothing in it at all.
So we're gonna go ahead and stop the recover because I think we're done. My best absolute guess, I have not hit the Google yet, but I bet you it's probably the 2.5 pound capacity.
You got 12 pounds in there. That's a full bottle, man.
I got a 30-pound bottle. I had to fill up the machine. All right, 5 minutes. I meant to do 5 flat, and then you started talking.
Yeah, hit it.
Leak check.
Extra long.
That's right. All right, so you guys have seen the vacuum process on multiple of my videos. No reason you need to sit through 5 minutes of this. No reason for a time lapse.
Look at it go.
We just get to listen. She's going.
It's ripping through it.
I had to leave my high right there.
Ah, I see.
It was just a thing. Somebody filled their car themselves.
Oh.
I hooked it up and it went straight there, and I was like, you know what that means, right?
I love when people try to fill their AC themselves.
AC Pro, there's nothing pro about it. A machine like this, pro. We have issues. Leak check failed. We were at 30 pounds of vacuum. We are up to 10 pounds of vacuum.
Inches of mercury.
Oh, inches of mercury. So somewhere, somehow, we have a leak. If I was a betting man, I would say it's probably on the rear side of things.
Yeah.
That is typically where these are. So I'm just gonna pump it up and just full send. 2.5 pounds is what Google told me. So if you got an 07 Tahoe and you don't know what you need to put in it, 2.5 pounds is money. Don't follow the Suburban, follow the utility. Ooh, that is blown out. Follow the utility.
Cool.
So now you know, it's Kyle's super short show. So with all of the noise in the background, thanks to the AC being on, we are charged. I have 10 pounds of Freon left, and that's why you're here. Friends gotta borrow friends Freon.
I only need like 1 pound now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, super tiny.
Yeah.
So that's all I've got on the wife Tahoe. Until next video, I'll see you then. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. I appreciate you, and we'll see you then.